You're right, the stream crashed. Alright. I guess we will start again. Today I'm going to add a boss, and the boss is already in production. The boss is using a new image, one of the 4 images that I have left. And I'm going to use the mirror ability, which is basically copying your cards to fight for the other side. Also, hi Augustin, how is Blender going? How are your Blender adventures? Summons a copy to fight for target creature. Yeah, maybe like this. And I'm also going to translate this. To German. Beschwerde eine Kopie der Zielkreatur. Yes. Alright. Now, is there another one? Summon automaton? Yes, okay. Hello, hello. I don't know if you caught my question, but I was asking you, how are your Blender adventures? Okay, in this case I'm just going to call it mirror, and in German it's called Spiegel. I'm really not sure about this name, but we can change it later. Let's just keep going. Keep running. Alright, so it's in the localization file, it is in the... Hi Max, how's it going? It's in the location file, it's in the JSON files, it's in the material file, so in theory I should already see it. Let's see if that's true. And then I can add the functionality, and adding the functionality should be relatively simple. In theory, I should just get a copy of the card and place it on the other side. That's the... I just realized it needs to be an offensive action. Yeah. Yeah, I need to think about restricting this ability, because in theory you can actually use it on your own cards. So that's going to be interesting to work around. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. There was no time to use Blender again, unfortunately. Oh well. Maybe there will be some time in the future. Blender will not run away, so you're fine. I think I will have to make it an offensive action. I'm not really sure yet. Yeah, this is a bit of a weird one. Because by default it should probably copy the enemy and not even work on the on allies. So yeah, I think I'm going to place it here. And let's see what happens. Okay. It is implemented, which means now I can look for the other one where things get summoned. And basically just copy this. And then we have to just adjust it. Is action offense. Material action offense type. We are going to say summon mirror, which is not really, it's not a good name. I will have to change it. I'm going to use the same sound for now, because why not? And call a new function. Waiting for the weekend because of work, it's quite difficult. Working in the afternoon, and before work it's hard to somehow get involved in the creative process. I agree. I mean, do you have to commute to work? So because that makes things worse. Is action offense And we're going to... Where is it? Okay, it's targeting the target card, right? So... yeah. Summon mirror. This is the source card. Do I need the value? No, I don't need the value. I think I just need the... oh no, I need this as well. I need the target card. And I need... what do I need the value for? I don't think I need the value at all. I can just remove it. So, what was I just thinking about? There was some caveat. I need the source card to figure out where it's going to be put on the board. And the target card to create a copy, yeah. What wait a minute, why is the setting to make sure that it's not... that it is not... but draw card I think is the same. Draw card. There is a setting that says it is not supposed to be... the number is not supposed to be shown on the card. Materia, draw card. Let's find all of the references. Yeah, here it is. I mean, this could and should probably be a switch, but we don't care. At this point in time, we don't care. Summon mirror. Okay, so the value on the card is not shown. We have the function that we're going to implement. So let's see. Let's see. And then we have to make sure that the boss actually spawns. Summon, mirror, origin card, and target card. So we are already generating a summoned creature. That's good. However, we want to apply all of the stats and all of the Lacrima from the target card, which means card script. I think there's an apply from save state. Yes, there is. So we're going to create a new save state. Card save state. Save state card. Save state card is target card, full save state, which just turns it into a new save state, and then we can say apply from save state. Okay. We don't need any of that. The summoned materia is interesting because we don't want to add add a new materia, but we probably want to create a new status effect. And the status effect is called summoned. So I think we want to switch it up to not have a summoned, like a new material for this. So, but we will see. In theory, I can just make a note here for myself. The name should be the same. This should all be... okay. Origin card, save state is enemy. Yeah. Then we're going to place it on the first free lane, that's true. Or place it here. What is that? Place someone on Ella lane. Recard, place card, place Ella or return. Alright. Sounds good. Okay. I think that should already work. So I'm going to test the Lacrima without the boss. And for that we have a new, not a new, but we have a separate setting for this in the materia inventory. We have the materia, or the Lacrima factory actually. And where am I in the run? Okay, good. Materia inventory. We are going to add offense, and we're going to add the new mirror, summon mirror. adding it to my inventory, and I'm going to put it on my spell. Then we're going to get into a fight. Just have to draw it. Oh, I placed it. Oh no. Let's load. I should not... Okay, never mind. There it is. So, if I put this spell on this enemy, it should be copied and placed on my side. Okay, it worked. That's interesting. So that's done. The image is still is a new one because it's an ally now. The color is wrong. So okay, the color is wrong, which means that this enemy needs to be set correctly. If origin safeguard is enemy, then we're going to say, wait a second. Card script. Yeah, okay. Card script, save state is enemy is true, and we're going to say is ally is false. False. And if it's not an enemy, then we're going to just invert that. So now the color should be correct. The image, I'm not sure about the image, but probably not a big issue. I'm not even sure if I'm going to allow it for the player to get. So yeah, let's see what it does on the enemy. That was a lot quicker than I thought, but the devil is always in the details, as we know. Okay, I'm going to load. Something happened there, that's crazy. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Probably because of the lane. The lane needs to be reset. Card script, save state lane. Is this ever reset? Is this ever set to 0 or something? Original lane? No. When is it? Okay, to 0. I can set it to 0. I'm wondering if the UID is also needs to be changed. I think it needs to generate a new UID. So let's say card script. Is there a function for this? No. Generate. Did my studio code just die? Okay, never mind. Okay. Things are happening. Generate new UID. Get UID. We're going to copy this. Generate new UID. We're going to set UID to null. Save state. UID is null. And we're calling get UID. Or we can actually return it. Just in case anybody needs it. That's not really good. Just going to say void. And call get UID. Then it's going to be set anew. Alright. We have a new UID. We have the correct settings. Lane needs to be reset as well. I wonder if there is no, there's no reset lane function. Let's just call it like this. And this should be a bit safer now. Going to finish my tea. And now I have water left. Only water. Alright. So I'm going to reload again because the save is broken because of the duplicate UID. And then we're going to try it again on the ally side, and then we're going to try it on the enemy side. So I have it here. If I'm going to call it here, then it should be blue and... No, it's not blue. Not yet. What could be the issue here? If it's an enemy... Oh, wait a minute. It needs to be... Hold on a minute. Yeah, enemy, and then... I think, yeah, okay. I think I need to call the functions again. Card script. Display card art. And also, there's another function I need to call, which is called set card sprites, yes. Because this is the one that is responsible for setting the background. So that it gets set correctly. Actually, it's probably the same as the capture function. I probably should have copied that. Yeah. But we already... probably already done, so... Mostly. Okay. Try again. See what happens. Let's continue and let's reload. I'm going to copy this again and it should be blue this time. Yes, it's blue. It's a very subtle blue, and also the image is correct, which is good. And if I place this here, I just want to see if saving and loading works correctly. So I'm going to return and I'm going to continue. And it does not work correctly, so something is definitely going wrong here with the UID. Alright. It generates a new UID. We will just look at it in the code, and I mean in the save, I guess. What is it called? Last save state or something. Open into Explorer. Where is the Explorer? Here it is. Last turn. Hello, last turn. Where's the last turn? Last turn, hello? Okay, I'm trying again. There it is. We're going to run the formatting and we're going to look at the cards. Enemy cards. We have the regular creature and we have Furcus with this UID. So is there any other setting that we need to change that might make it look like it's on the... Maybe the parent lane, but not really. The lane is 0. Okay, let's look at the copied creature. See if this is here twice. It is here twice. Alright, so the UID was not set correctly. Got it. Now that's the reason. Now let's check out why. Generate new UID. It sets it to null. And then gets a new one. So why is it not saved correctly? This should be a copy of it, right? No? Oh, it's not a copy. Ah, God. Okay. Okay. This should be... Yeah. We need a new save state card. I don't know why I didn't do it for like in general like this. But there is probably a reason for it that I'm not going to touch right now. So anyway, I need to do this. And close this. So now it's definitely not referenced anymore and it should be better. So let's try again from the beginning. I think we're about 50% done. 50%! Okay, so let's load again. Let's call the spell again. And let's see if the loading works. Alright, spell. It is on our side. We're going to press enter and see what happens if we reload the game. Awesome, it works. Cool. So now I can have a copy of this. It still needs the summoned status effect, but that's okay. Now we're going to add it to the enemy. So we're going to say action offense. We're going to say summon mirror and we're going to add it to enemies. And now if this attacks, it should get a copy of this. Let's just try this. So if this is dead, we should see it whenever this dies. Oh no, it's copying all of them. It creates so many copies now. That's not good. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, now it's getting a bit crazy, but that's okay. So yeah, as you can see, it was copied correctly, and it's also set the enemy sprite basically, and this was also copied from my side. So yeah, copying definitely works. Let's see if reloading also works. Yes, it does. Okay, everything is good. And now we can just basically try to set to see if to test it on the boss is what I want to say. But maybe we should also start adding the status effect right now. Okay, but first I will be right back. I need to feed my cat. All right. Cat has been fed. Cat is fed up. Everything is good. Okay, I wanted to add the summon status effect because I do not want to waste a summoned Larkhammer for this. So let's try doing that. Status effect. Yes. There should be an enum for that. Yes. And it is not a buff, but it is just something. It's not a buff and not a debuff, so it's summoned. We're going to say it's special. And now I'm running into the issue of not having a good function for this, so I have to change this in several places, I think. In pretty much all of the places where immunity is called, I guess. It is immune. It is immune. I think it is mostly used for card descriptions and stuff and for colors, I guess. Yes. Status effect triggers. What? Status type equals. Okay, let's just edit. Summoned. Okay, that's a regular check. Yes, it is special. We already added it here. Okay, this is the sprite. Summoned. We're going to say sprite summoned. We need a new icon for this. So that's going to be interesting. Why is it saying... Okay, never mind. Special types. Yes. Because... I don't know. My past self did this, so I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, yeah, this is a good idea. I need to remove it from the random buff. That's a very good idea. So now we're going to focus on the sprite. Sprite immunity and sprite summoned. For icons, I always look at my new favorite website, which is called gameicons.net. Let's just summon. Let's just see what comes up. A pentagram. That's kind of interesting. Satanic mark to summon evil creatures during incantations. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Or the pentagram rules. We can just try the pentagram rules. It's probably not as easy to read as this. The evil moon is also pretty funny. I think I'm going to try this and see what happens. So now I need to figure out the past ones. Resource. Sprite assets. Where did I save this? Stars effects, okay, nice. Do an explorer, please. How big is it? It's 64 in the game, and here it is 128. All right. And I think it's just, yeah, okay. That's the same. So I can save it right here into the game. And we will say summoned. And that's pretty much it, I think. Now I need to only link it. It's not so easy. It's not so easy. Did I just open the music maker, the Samplitude, or did I just open Affinity? Affinity. Good. The problem is, for some reason, I just downloaded it from this website, and the website says 128 pixels. However, when you download it, it is actually 127 pixels. So you kind of have to adjust it to make it 128. And I'm not sure if it's a rounding error somewhere or... this is the wrong one. Summoned, please. Summoned. There it is. Leinwandgröße 128 and make sure it's in the upper left and save. And now we can tell Unity to use compression. And now it only uses 2 kilobyte from 6 kilobyte. Wait a minute, we still have to reduce it to 64. Now it's only 1 kilobyte. Awesome. Okay, I need to set it in the prefab, I think. Status effect. Status effect. And there should be an empty place here. Sprite image. So sprite summon, there it is. So I can save the image here. And now I should be able to have the summon effect. Of course I need to set it to the correct localization file, of course. Creatures, what? The description makes no sense for immunity. Summoned. And I have this already, I think. Destroy. Ah, yeah, I have this already. So the only thing that I need is... It's just immunity. I mean the... Summoned without anything. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Then let's just copy this. And put it here. Without the lacrima. That should be the status effect. And I will probably remove the lacrima. Summoned lacrima. But we will see. We will see. To make it the same everywhere. Okay. Now I need to say inflict. Inflict status effect. Where is it? There it is. Inflict summoned. Total turns. Yeah. Total turns is an interesting one. Summoned. Yeah, okay. Where is the mirror now? Mirror. Summon mirror. Okay. Card script. Add or inflict summoned. Total turns. I mean, this is basically forever. So let's say 999. Origin card is just this card. Alright, so it should have this, the status effect. However, it still needs to be affected the same as the summon modifier. Which means now we're going to have to go through all of the occurrences of summoned and apply the same logic right here. If it is summoned... Okay, now never mind. Can be cracked, never mind, that's not why we're here. Destroy summoned. Oh yeah, okay. Or has status effect. This is probably not in use anymore, but it doesn't hurt to still update it. Clear summons. I mean, yeah. Status effect. Summoned. It's not the best code in the world. But we will not get an award for the best code in the world anyway. So it's fine. Card? Why is it now called card? Oh my god, there's so many occurrences. Okay, never mind. This should be a function. This should be a function. This should be a function, he said after the 7th time. Okay, what else? This is all the same. We have changed all this. Generate summoned creature. Ah yeah. We are just Okay, I'm going to do this. And I'm going to say card script. Then we're going to change it everywhere. Inflict summoned. Oh crap. Inflict summoned. Please. Total guns is 909. But what if you wait 999 turns? Well, we're just probably going to see that it doesn't get reduced. Okay. Oh, this is more than once, alright. Okay, I'm going to just comment it out because, yeah. Because I'm not sure yet. Wall of Fog is not in the game anymore anyway, but... What is that? Ah, Automaton, yeah. For Automaton, this is a really good change. This is a really good change. What about here? Summoned. What are you? Summon minion. Yes, yes, yes. That's good. Commenting out the Lacrima. Okay, what else do we have? Draw cards from graveyard. Remove material from card. Remove material from card is not relevant for us because we are having a status effect now. Filter unwanted material, that's not relevant. That's not relevant. What is that? The text, that's not relevant. Okay, this is just the band modifiers. Sounds and looks good. Okay, let's try again. In theory, if I summon a mirror now, a copy now, mirror is not a good word for this. If I mirror a copy or copy a card, then it should have the summoned status effect. Which means at the end of the turn, it does not get added to my deck, which is very important. Okay, let's load. Does not have the summoned effect. Okay, why not? Why not? Summon mirror. Oh yeah, I have not. Ah no, there it is. Card script inflict summon. Why is this? Oh, it's a routine. Oh, it's a routine. Oh no. Yield return. I forgot this everywhere. But that's okay. That is okay, that is fine, we can edit. Okay. Everything good? Okay, everything good. Time for some water. And then hopefully Unity lets us play. Let me play. Okay. Continue. Load. Mirror. And it has the new stars effect. Very cool. Summoned. Gets removed from the game at the end of the fight. It is 9-9. Okay. Maybe I can just change it that the number is not shown in the status. Yeah. We can do that probably. Okay, so if the fight ends now, then it should get removed from my hand. From my deck, I mean. Let's end the fight. And it should not be in my deck. It is in my deck. Okay. Why? Let's try again. Did I forget to save something? No. Okay. If it has summoned can be correct? No. Destroy summoned. That's fine. That's fine. Clear summons. Okay. If it... Oh. Okay. I see. I see now. That's the problem. Oh my god. I just ran into a weird problem. So the problem is that the status effects get removed whenever a creature dies. So I guess the solution is that status effect is an exemption to that. So we will just try that. Die. And when it says report death to Ella Lane, yes. Then it should go to the graveyard. Exile Ella card, add to cemetery. I'm wondering where the status effects get cleaned. Face down, disable cast slots. Not here apparently. Okay, let's try again. From the beginning. It dies. It checks for triggers. Clear status effects. There it is. Yeah. I think I can just remove it from here entirely. If effect equals. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. Status effect summoned. Why is this not working? Effect, what are you? Effect type? Yeah, there it is. Equals. Status effect. Huh? What are you? It's a status effect, right? Okay. So. Scale over time, ease out. Total turns left. Is type, there it is. Is type summoned. Then we will just return and not remove it. Yeah. That should fix the problem. Probably create new ones. So maybe it will now actually be visible upside down. We will see, we will see. One thing after another. Okay, I will create a mirror. I will end the fight as gracefully as I can. As quickly as I can. It should actually still have the stars effect when I check it out here. Yes, that's good. Which means it will not be in my deck afterwards, hopefully. Yeah, it is still here. Okay, why? Why? Destroy someone, inflict someone. Remove status effects. This is not removed. Clear summons. Okay. It looks at the cemetery. If it has modifier, if it has modifier, and if it has status effect, then remove it, please. So why is this not working? That's the question. Discard a card. Graveyard remove. Return card. Why is it returning cards from the discard pile? Edit? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is the graveyard doing with remove? Remove? It removes it, it returns the card. What? Return card. Okay, yeah, that's true. I feel like there's something missing. Let's see. Let's load the previous turn. Let's load the previous turn and then we'll figure something out. Alright. It should still be here. No. It doesn't have the effect. What? Why? Mirror and it should actually die to test it correctly. Okay, save. It is in the graveyard. We're going to save now and we're going to check out if it works after reloading. It does not work after reloading. That's crazy. Why? Several things are going wrong, apparently. I mean, I can probably go back to the Larkma idea, but this is really strange. Why is it not working? Let's see what it looks like in the JSON. Test save state. Continue. Okay, graveyard. Cards. Zero status effects. What? Why? Huh? That's amazing. I'm confused. Is it because the cards aren't active? No, that's not the reason. That is not the reason. If I copy this here... Oh, never mind. Okay, this is getting a bit scary. It was just on the spell for some reason. Okay. It's because huh? Okay, never mind for now. That's crazy. Why is it targeting the spell now? And why is it... Huh? Okay, several things are going wrong here. And that's a bit concerning. Let's just call it that. We can probably... And this is not working. What? I'm confused. I'm really, really confused. Okay, I think I will just try to... Do I just want to try to test the boss for now? Maybe? And just try it with the Lacrima? I'm really confused. That's crazy. JSON format. Let's see. We have graveyard. Graveyard cards. No status effects. Shield and summoned. On a spell. No, on a creature. Ally cards. Okay. Shield. Summoned. Wait a minute, so if I load this, it should work? But the graveyard creatures don't have it, which is really strange. Okay, yeah, so this works. Okay. Yeah, so the... Okay, so this is an edge case for the spells for some reason. And for the graveyard. Okay. We will just try and focus on the boss for now. So how do we test the boss? We test the boss by saying, okay, I want this boss now. The new boss is called Murmox. And it is probably in map generation. Map generator. Boss. Generate boss. Boss fight. It's never as easy as you think. Never. Have a boss. Disable all nodes that are on a boss. Set boss. Okay, where is the boss node though? Pick boss fragment. Get current boss. Save state boss. Yeah, but where is it set? Ist gleich das. Okay, cool. Set to boss fight. Boss name is this. Alright. You are overwritten. That's how it is. Okay, we're going to check out the boss fight and see how it plays. And everything else is something for later. Whatever happened there, I guess. I guess the status effect is something that needs a force clearing when it dies or on spells or something like that. Okay, return the title, start a new run. And I'm going to say this and upgrade me. Oh. Now every card has this now. That's crazy. Okay, we're going to pick the boss and see what happens. Mirror is not here yet. Zero not found. The string, mirror. Oh yeah, that's true. Because it has a different name. It is called this. Probably should be called summon mirror image. But mirror image is too long. Mirror image is too long. I don't like it. Okay. Let's try again. Start. I want to buy some luck now, that's true. Definitely want to do that. Okay, a little fight. Just a little fight before the boss fight. Then we're almost there. I also added all of the special enemies to the collection today. Which made me realize I need to add a lot more of these special enemies. So maybe I wanted to add like another 10 at least. Never ends. Okay, you're dead. That was a crazy one. Alright, creature played, mirror, newest enemy. So in theory, every time I place a creature down, the next 3 creatures get copied. Yes. That's very funny. I like that a lot. I don't know. It just feels cool. So even that should be yes. Okay, cool. All right, so now I'm wondering how hard it is to win. Because I started with a relatively weak deck now, because I went straight to the boss, but it should actually still be beatable. And it looks like it's not. I mean, it's a bit difficult, but we'll see. We will see. That was a direct copy. That was okay. That was good. But I feel like right now it's already too hard. Because it's killing me. It's yeah, it's way stronger than me. Okay, so let's play normally and see how it feels. Just play like a normal what the fuck is happening with the status effects? No, that's actually crazy. It's not even the status effect. It's just the thingy is here. What? Just the sprite is here. Okay, I will figure it out. Everything is okay. Let me just restart. I think that's why making games is so addicting. Because you never know what you're going to get. That's the definition of getting addicted. Pressing a button and not knowing what you get. And that's making games. It's everything is clear now. Everything makes sense now. Okay. I want to become super strong, so the boss is too easy. Can we do that? Can we do that? Time begin. I don't have anything really. No, I don't want to sacrifice. I want more Lakama, please. But in theory, I mean, it looks like the boss needs to be, I don't know, nerfed? I don't know yet. It adds a lot of creatures to the board. Let's get a, let's get a blessing. Blessings are always fun. Still thinking about the Stardust effects. I don't know what's happening there. It seems to be removing the Stardust effects, but not the sprites, which is really weird. Give me something good, please. Please. Give me something good. Oh no, I pressed enter too quickly. Okay, right now my deck is not looking too good. I need better triggers. Something at least. I mean, I can probably do a combo here. Okay, that's good. Let's buy something. I want Impulse, I want a Lakama pack, and that's it. I mean, I want everything, but in life, you cannot have everything. It's the sad truth. Do I want to sacrifice anything? No, I'm good. Okay, let's see. Going to save before the boss fight. Yeah. Okay, creature plate, mirror. Summons a copy of target creature. I only have one copy, one creature here, so that's okay. It creates a copy of this. It's fine. I'm going to poison it. Just already, I should have redrawn actually, but that's fine. So now the fun begins. I probably need to put down the lower creatures first and wait for it to, yeah. Wait for it to be down, I guess. Can probably risk putting this here. And now I should be fine with this. Okay. Ally attack. Yeah, this is it's another big creature, but okay, I feel like this is worth it, so let's try. Okay. Going to put some spells on you. Alright. Now I'm fighting my bigger one here. Which should be fine because I have shield. Maybe it needs a cooldown. Yeah. Yes. I mean, now it's not so bad. No, I don't really need this. Yeah, no. Let's try. Let's keep trying. more like this. So I think the problem is that if it's only one creature, it has a lot of HP when the boss gets generated. There's a problem. So I guess I need a setting for this, which could also benefit the other boss, Renee. Okay, and now I have the same one from the beginning. But other than that, I think it's doable. So, not too bad. Okay, that's an interesting boss mechanic. I think that could also be really annoying, but that's fine. People will tell me if it's too annoying. The boss does have too much HP though, so there needs to be a setting for this. And I think I'm just going to call it... Actually, I can just do it via code. If it has 0 minions, then it should have half their HP. Maybe? This is an enemy spawner, I think. Enemy spawn, where is it? There is it. There it is. Enemy HP. If it's a boss fight, it increases the HP. However, it is also depending on the total enemies. Divided by total enemies, yeah. That is why total enemies is always 1. Okay, if it's a boss fight. If total enemies is smaller than 1, make sure to not create bosses that have too many HP, i.e. beneath it. And I think I'm going to say divided by 5, because it will generate 5 enemies anyway. So I'm going to say enemy HP math lower to int, enemy HP divided by 5. It should be correct. And that is also the reason why I think it was too much right now. Because other fights don't have this problem. Right? Let's try again. Let's try it again. Actually, if I just load it, then it should be summoned correctly. Yes, 37 though. Is that correct? Let's see. It looks correct to me. Wait a minute, 25? No, that's not correct. Let's not divide by 5 then, but by 2. Okay. Because the fight just now dragged on too long, I think. That's not fun. Continue, load. Try again. 97. That's okay because it's actually 65, yes, okay. Now I can probably try this and this. So I shouldn't need too many new creatures now. And the HP is quite reasonable, I think. Okay. The boss is dead. And I'm still fighting myself. Alright. So far so good. Let's keep playing to the... Was it 3 lanes now? Yes, I think so. Yeah. Okay. Let's just keep playing and see how it feels in the later chapters. It should actually still override everything. Of course I have the heal combo going. I mean, a cooldown probably would help as well. So that it's not... I would have to think about it. Don't let me fall asleep. It's not good. It still has the PNG. Oh no. I wonder why that is. But I will figure it out. I will figure it out. Reanimated has been changed. This was the old I don't even know what it was called. Ah yeah, Showdown, right. That's the new Showdown. So that you know that it's only for the enemies. Which could also be turned into a status effect once I figure out why status effects keep reappearing on the cards. That's crazy. Why? Okay. So far so good. We are getting slightly overpowered. But not too much. Not to worry. It's not too wild just yet. Still relatively in a good spot. Yes, fractured my Lachroma slot. All right. Let's go. Into the shop we go. There's still nothing to... Oh, there's an Exhume, but it's not too expensive. Oh no. Okay. Going to... Okay, run out of money. I'm going to run out of money. That is what I wanted to say. Warcry is not bad. Maybe we can do this. And maybe we can do this. Yeah. Oh, Impulse 8. Also not bad. Another shop. Very good. God damn it. The random discard. Yeah. You're dead. Mine would have been dead anyway. Alright, one more shop. I think I'm going to take card plates since I still don't have anything to revive my creatures. I'm going to take this, and I don't have anything else, so that's bad. But I still have some left, so I'm okay. Let's go to the shop, to the boss. Alright, creature plate, mirror, newest enemy. So I'm starting with the smallest ones. And now I'm going to get this one as well. Okay. But I can already decimate this one and decimate this one. But now I'm standing exactly on the mirror side. I can probably try to kill it. Yes. Okay, I won. Okay, now I need to think. Wait a minute. This is probably not a good idea to put on the other side. Can just try to do this, I guess. But now but it's going to die. Let's just try this. Okay, it's going to die. Good. But so am I. Okay, we're going to poison this guy. So far, it's really interesting. It makes me think about the cards I play a little bit different. I'm also going to do this and this. Again. Yeah, this is definitely doable, I would say. Let's keep going to the end, just to make sure. I'm going to remove my correct slot. Another small fight. Oh no, things are happening. Stop it, I would say. Just stop. I'm so tired today. I don't know why. Maybe because I was in the gym yesterday with the trainer. And he showed me some new tricks. And he kept saying, well, just do 2 more for 2 hours. Gym trainer. I went into the gym again for a checkup because the routine that I was doing, I mean, I wasn't entirely sure if I did did everything correctly, so I said, okay, how about another checkup, and let's try a new plan. And so he's giving me a new plan now for 3 times a week. And so he showed me some new tricks yesterday, some new exercises that I can do. But overall, I was like yesterday or 2 days ago when I was at the gym. This was almost exactly 1 year after I started going to the gym, and the machine that I was standing on, it said that I improved, so that's good. My general health has improved. I guess I'm doing something right. I'm still not perfect, but you know, nobody is perfect. And going to the gym is not about competition, it's about staying active staying healthy. And I think it's working. Without it, I would probably, I don't know, have a lot of issues without going to the gym. And the funny thing is that some things looked so impossible like a year ago, and now it's like, okay. This was a problem before, and it really makes you think like what your body is actually capable of. That's really cool. Oh no. What is that? I like how the icon is now everywhere. It doesn't do anything, but it's just everywhere now. Is there an error? No, there's no error. It just doesn't get removed. I will figure it out. Okay, let's keep going. What else can we do here? Yes, another elite fight, so we can get another blessing. I hope this doesn't fracture my creature, but it's okay. That was a huge combo. Which reminds me, I need a like a chain number here. That would be funny. Okay. I don't have exhumation yet, but let's just do this. Sacrifice. I don't need to sacrifice anything. Not yet. But Quake and Flood makes 17. That's good. Okay, now we have Exodus. Great. Very nice. It should be possible without it, so maybe I'm not even going to use it. I'm just going to remove it and not worry about it. Then why did you buy it? I don't know. That's what I do. Enemy attack, yes. Favor, yes. Okay, let's just edit here. Just in case. Okay. In theory, I should be... In theory, I should be able to beat this. But it's not looking good, to be honest. It's not looking good. I should have redrawn. That was my first mistake. Okay. Okay. Alright. I can do this on my own. Okay, I can try to recover it. I mean... That's not going to go over well, I think. Okay, this one is dead. This is the exact same. Okay. But it's dying first, that's the important part. I hope so. Card plate, oh my god. Let's just keep playing, see what happens. Okay. This was the wrong one. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is good. This still has a lot of HP though. That's crazy. Okay, this in theory should be possible for me. And I'm just going to do this and this. And now I'm going to heal it. Destroy the opponent. Now I have a problem. Enemy debuffed. Yeah, okay. Whew. Okay. What is a bit worrisome for me is that this is really taking a while, so maybe I should just divide it by 4? That is really worrying. Guess divided by 4 is alright. Because it's taking way too long. It's actually really funny how long it takes. Okay, healed. I'm just going to end my turn. Try again. Maybe it gets... No, okay, never mind. Alright. I think now it's looking good. Yes. Yeah, but that's way too much HP. That's not fun anymore. Okay. Cool. Now we only need to figure out why the Stardust effect is not working correctly. I still want to check the HP really quickly. Then we will see. I'm trying to think if is the Stardust effect removed but not the image? Maybe. I think I saved right before, yes. Yeah, now it has 141. That's much more manageable, I think. I think before it was just too much. Okay. One definitely should play nothing like this, so this is probably way too much. Because then this happens. Yeah. Yeah, this is an interesting one. Alright. Let's see. Clear status effect, where is it? Clear status effects. Remove status effect. If summoned, return. Ah, I know what the problem is. Yeah. The problem is it removes all of these. I see. Is this the only one that clears it? and remove here. It's not so simple as it seems. Okay. If this is not good. If it's actually, let's just do it the other way. I think we're going to do it like this. For each status effect in status effects. Status effect, remove. This is not going to work because we are adjusting the list while running through it. So effect is type summoned. Not a good thing to do. Not a good thing to do at all. List, status effect. Effects. Yeah, let's do this. It's not. It's super error prone. Let's see. Remove effect. Does not actually get there. Okay. Okay. It should be fine now. It should be fine. But it doesn't explain. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. It explains why it wasn't in the cemetery. Okay. We are going to add it to my inventory just to see if it works on my side as well. Action offense, mirror. Add to inventory, summon on this. Save. And I'm going to say mirror. It has summoned. Good. Which means it works both ways. I want to try it again. Actually, I want to kill you and see if it works in... What? I want to see if it works in the graveyard. That's actually interesting. It copied everything. Okay, they got removed. Yeah. Awesome, okay. That seems fine now, but I'm going to try one more. I'm going to mirror you. I don't know why this is so funny, but it is. Wait a minute. Why do they have someone now? No! That is so funny. Yeah. Okay, remove Where is this called? Okay, this is here. That's fine. Clear status effects, yeah. That's a problem. That's a problem. Remove status effect. Clear status effects of type. Okay, this is definitely removed here. So where is this called? Clear status effects. I think this is called in reset cards. What is this? Die? After add to exile, after add to deck. What is that? Apply from save state. Reset cards, reset cards. Object pool. So in the object pool, it definitely needs to clear all of them. So I guess I have to say remove all. It's false by default. Remove all. I hate this. I really don't like this. If remove all. If not remove all. And effect is summoned. Okay. Remove all. If remove all. Or wait a minute, I need to divide this, I think. If it is summoned and not remove all, or remove all. Wait a minute. Yes. It's kind of crazy. It is kind of crazy. And I don't like it. Return card routine. If all is true. Reset cards is fine, I think. Because it's in graveyard, curses, card game manager, card. After the deck is okay, exile is okay. Yeah, it needs to reset when adding it back to the object pool. That is the only one where it's really necessary. I mean, I can probably... Wait a minute. Let's do this differently. If I don't like this if if it's summoned. And if it is the summon status effect and we're not removing all, remove all, then we could just continue. That is what we're going to write. If it's summoned and we're not removing all, we continue. Yes. And here we will say if we will just structure it the same. We return. Okay, now it's a bit more, it's a bit the same at least. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Unity. Okay, we're going to try again. We're going to try again and see load. I have it in my on my spell. Good. Going to redraw. And I'm going to mirror you. Good. Just testing things out. It is attacking first, that's good. Alright. Nothing is in my inventory. Now let's keep fighting and let's see if the enemies are now okay. No, yeah, everything is fine now. They don't have the yellow image. Okay, I did just call it on my own spell, so maybe that's another bug. No, everything is fine. All right. All right. So now I need to figure out if I want the player to have this all the time. Or if it's too powerful. I guess it is kind of too powerful. Maybe it's just a boss feature. We will see. Let's try another fight. Okay, I didn't draw the spell again. But it's fine. Another Larkhammer pack, yes please. Let's fit some Larkhammer into the creatures. Impulse, impulse. Actually, yeah. Let's try this. Oh, I could have, oh yeah, I think I had mirror there. Can I mirror the boss? I can mirror the boss. I can actually mirror the boss. Okay, this definitely needs a bit of consideration. I just want to see it in action. I just want to mirror the boss. Okay. Redraw. Oh, I don't have enough money. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to mirror the boss. Yeah, that's crazy. So I guess I can now Okay, that's a bit weird. Just a little bit. Okay, there need to be some exceptions to this. I mean, it is kind of funny if you get it. Maybe it should be percentage based. Mirror percentage based. That could work. Let's try it. Activated by chance. By chance? No? Activates by chance, yes. And then the boss needs to say summon mirror. I don't know, 50, 75, or 73. Let's go like this. And we want to make sure it's really high in the end. 86. Let's see if it works. And yeah, and non-boss. Card, mirror. Summon mirror. If target card is spell, or target card. Ah, there's no or. Target card is boss. Return. Yield break. And we're going to say where is it? Mirror summons a copy of target non-boss creature. Nicht boss Zielkreatur. I think I had nicht boss somewhere before. Yeah. Alright. Alright. What did I want to test? I had a boss. Let's try again. Mirror 85, 48. Oh. This is not a setting. This is just a visual representation. It needs to... Yeah, it needs to actually check. It is what it is. What is it? Okay. Internal build system error. Backend exited with code 1. Are you okay, Unity? Is everything alright? Everything good? Alright. Guess I was saving too fast. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, yeah, it was successful. It was successful. It was a failure. Okay, so this is a bit better now because then not every time a creature gets placed. And in later chapters it's almost 100%, so yeah. Okay, So it's a bit more random. Not as static, I guess. Miss, yes. Yeah, for the first chapter, that's fine. That's very cool. It's not so overpowered. Very fine. Die. Thank you very much. So then I can keep it for the player as well for now and see what happens. I mean, I should be able to get it now. Yeah. Okay. We have a new boss. With a new mechanic. Hehe. Alright. We have fixed the status effect issue. We have added the status effect to all of the summoned creatures. Can we inspect the boss in a collection without issues? That's the next question. Collection, boss. Yes, there it is. There it is. And I've already won against him. That's fine. Here are the demons. There needs to be much more. Okay. We have a new boss. A new stars effect. Very nice. Okay. I guess that's it for today. See you all again next time, and thanks for hanging out with me. Have a nice evening or day, wherever you are. Goodbye. Thanks.